Throughout this entire course, we're going to be talking about SEO. But why is SEO very important? You see, we all want to make the right decisions. You purchased this course because you decided it's the right decision for you. I created this content because I believe it's the right decision for my brand and for my customers out there, including you. We live in a world where technology is helping us solve a lot of problems, including decision making. So, part of this technology that's helping us solve decision making problems is search engines. You need something, you want more information about something, you go online, you check Google, how can I do this, why is this that, where can I get this, and you get results. This process helps you streamline, filters the content on the web and bring you the best result based on your preference to help you make the right decisions. As a business owner, as a consumer, we're always trying to make the right decisions. You need customers, you want to be sure you're getting the right people's attention. This also applies to your users, to your potential customers. When they need something that you offer, they search about it. And when they search the web with keywords related to what you offer and you come up, they believe you are the right person for them. You become one of the best options for them to consider for that particular service, for that particular need. And if you are not found on that search engine result page, you are losing out on your potential clients, you're losing out on leads. So one of the advantages of SEO, why you really need to understand SEO, is that it increases your opportunity in the market. It increases your authority. That means it tells people you are to be trusted, you are credible for what you do. That's why you are presented on the search engine result page. It tells your clients that, okay, there's more about you, because when they search something related to what you offer and you pop up, they have this expectation that, okay, yes, if this person shows up on this result page, there's more about this business, there's more about this brand. So let me click on this link to get more. So that way you will be getting more engagements, more leads, and definitely more profits.